Here's Google Play Store running on my laptop. Using this method, I can install any app available in the Play Store. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Play Store on your laptop or PC. Step 1. Download BlueStacks. Open your browser and search for BlueStacks. It's a free emulator that allows your computer to function like an Android device. BlueStacks is reliable, easy to use, and supported by trusted companies like Intel and AMD. Click on See All Versions, and depending on your operating system, you can choose between BlueStacks 4 or BlueStacks 5. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Once you've made your choice, click Download BlueStacks and save the installation file to your preferred location. Step 2. Install BlueStacks. After downloading, install BlueStacks by running the installer and following the on-screen instructions. The process is simple and shouldn't take much time. Step 3. Log in or sign up for a BlueStacks account. Once BlueStacks is installed, you'll need to log in or sign up for a BlueStacks account. You can use your Google credentials or create a dedicated account for this purpose. In this tutorial, we'll log in with a Google account. After signing in, you'll see the Play Store interface within BlueStacks. Step 4. Sign in to your Google account. To use the Play Store, log into your Google account, enter your credentials, and if you want to sync and save your contacts, enable the backup option. Step 5. Explore the Play Store. That's it. You now have full access to the Google Play Store on your PC. You can browse and install any game or Android app directly on your laptop. If you're interested in reading, you can easily select and download books from the Play Store. For parents, there are also teacher-approved games available for kids to enjoy. Step 6. Install any Android app from the Play Store. To demonstrate, let's install an Android app. I chose the Google Calculator for this example. Once installed, the app worked smoothly, and a shortcut appeared on the desktop, ready to use. That's it! We've successfully downloaded and installed the Play Store on a laptop. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.